I didn't see it. But yeah, accepted.
Just on the phone a second now. She's talking to Joe Netta as well.
Are we going with Belgian media reports? Okay. Okay. I mean, these are the kinds of things I need to know. Okay, and what did the eyewitness describe exactly, very quickly, Joseph? Because I have 50 million people in my ear.
I'll let you know, guys.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thanks. What? No, I don't know. Are you looking at RTTS, the state broadcaster?
I don't know if we are. I'm not.
Okay. All right. Okay, thanks. Yeah, if we can get one note with everything we're reporting, because I was just getting all these emails and it's just not clear to me. All right, thanks. Bye. Yeah, I do. Yes.
Okay, guys, go ahead and talk to Erin again.
Yeah, you can come back to me. Hi, doing just fine. Yes, I can. Waiting for more information. Police at this point being tight-lipped with the details. That they have confirmed that there has been an incident at the central train station here in Brussels. Just behind me, you can see that they've cordoned off the road leading to the station. You can see a very heavy police as well as a military presence. A producer here on the ground a short while ago saw a bomb disposal truck drive by. But in terms of what exactly unfolded here, the sequence of events, authorities at the moment, again, not saying at present. We do know, though, from police that the situation is under control here in Brussels as they continue to work on what now obviously is an ongoing investigation into what exactly happened. But again, the situation is under control. According to eyewitnesses, there were blasts, some pops heard inside the station itself. Unclear how many individuals were injured in the incident, if there are any injuries at all. Also unclear how the authorities managed to get the situation under control.
Yeah, we will do. Give them a bump shot, Chris. Thank you.
Where's my phone?
It's in my pocket.
Oh, can I?
Yeah, Erin, she should be dialed in. Yeah. If you need anything, just shout at me. What do you need?
Yes, I can. So we don't have any information. We're not going to with any Belgian media reports. Yeah, well, I mean, this incident did happen later in the evening, not as congested at that train station as it would be during, say, rush hour when people would be making their way homes from work. And you can see the scene before you now. The street is empty except for emergency services, which are responding to the incident. There's also a military presence out. Traffic, though, is moving sort of around this area. There is a small group of bystanders that have gathered, mainly curious to see what is going on. Other than that, the area surrounding the station itself appears to have been completely evacuated. Brooke? No, I mean, at the moment, police are being very tight-lipped in terms of details. The first accounts that we heard of this incident were accounts from eyewitnesses on Twitter. I called authorities immediately when those accounts first crossed, and they were still trying to put the pieces together as to what exactly transpired here, which, you know, what happened now, of course, is the subject of an ongoing investigation. Again, it does appear, though, that this incident has been dealt with. The situation, the police are saying, is under control, though they are not giving much detail in terms of these explosions that have been heard by eyewitnesses or how they brought this incident under control, Brooke. You know, not at the moment, Brooke. We simply do not know. There were early reports of Twitter of shots fired as well. We don't know if that was from the police or not. We simply do not know how they resolved the situation at present.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, hello? Yeah. Yeah, we're trying to contact the Belgian prosecutor, but obviously I'm pretty sure he's inundated with phone calls at the moment.
Can we do this?
Sorry,
Reuters?
hang on a sec. Hang on. So yeah, we've been trying to call the Brussels prosecutor, but obviously he's inundated with phone calls at the minute. We'll try and get some. Yeah, in terms of actually calling the Belgian capital police. No, I haven't tried to call them. Okay, thanks. Bye. Bye. Domestic. Hello, I'm still here with you guys. You hear me? I'm back.
Are we going with Belgian media now?
No.
I just heard them say it on air.
Guys, in terms of editorial, can we go with Belgian media?
Are we allowed? The desk allowed you. Okay, cool.
Desk allows
Belgian troops, let me see, cannot confirm media reports that
Neutralize the person.
the Belgian troops patrolling Brussels stations neutralized the person after a small explosion on Tuesday, a police spokesman said, adding that there were no other casualties and the station was under control. I mean, I don't understand why we can't go with some of these media reports. Okay, I'm gonna try and call. I'm trying to make a call again.
Okay. Okay, Erin.
What?
So, Belgian Crisis Centre just tweeted that soldiers have neutralised an individual. The situation is under control. The police are on the scene. Follow the channels.
Belgian Crisis Center.
Belgian Crisis Centre. Okay, they're going to come on across you, Erin. Stand by, Chris.
Not at present, Brooke. Belgian Crisis Center just tweeting out that soldiers inside the station neutralized this individual, and not giving much more information than that as to why they neutralized him. We do know from eyewitnesses, though, that this incident was preceded by two small explosions. So again, that being tweeted by the Belgian Crisis Center. In terms of what they mean by neutralize, unclear. We also know from early eyewitness reports on Twitter that shots were fired. Not sure if they neutralized this individual by shooting him. That, again, is unclear, unconfirmed by authorities, but the situation does seem to be under control at the train station. All right, thanks. Shots were...
Okay. Okay. Okay, I can stay on with you, and what we'll do is, if Erin's going to be on the lead in 5 minutes, just leave her IP connected. Yes.
Yes. Yes, I do.
Okay.
From that eyewitness.
We'll leave the IFB to how it is now. I'm just going to put this down the back of you. Okay, thanks.
Hey, Matthew.
Hey guys. Trying to get these people moving. Hey guys. Guys, we're going to give you a quick bump shot. Watch out the way around. There's just a few people that seem to be leaving the station. They're coming out, walking towards us.
Not create any victims. Yes, I can, Jake. They're coming to me next, Chris.
Pane redaktore, nechcete stát? Nazdar.
Okay. Okay. What time did this happen, Chris?
An hour ago.
About 9 p.m.
Vem se Ivane, dívej s Lukášem rybku. Jakoby co viděli v angličtině.
De l'autre côté.
Yes, I am.
De l'autre côté de la route.
Chris. Hi, Jake. Well, it seems that the situation is under control. That, according to the police, it unfolded about over an hour ago at a Grand Central station, one of the main train stations here in Brussels. You can see it's just down the road that way. Eyewitnesses reporting seeing some sort of explosions, a couple pops, small explosions, and then, according to police, the suspect, a private individual, has been, quote, neutralized. Unclear how they managed to neutralize the suspect in this case, but you can see that they are taking this incident extremely seriously. They have cordoned off the street surrounding the train station, not letting traffic through. You can also see a very heavy military presence out on the street. This is a city under a heightened state of alert due to the terror threat that is persistent in this country. They're taking no chances here in Brussels tonight, Jake.
Madame, je peux vous demander de reculer? Monsieur, le bus est repassé.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. Thanks, Kim. Thanks. They switch you to C and an I.
Oh,
Mais c'est en anglais, ça va être.
okay.
Ça peut être en français ou pas?
Non, je parle français.
Hi, yes I do. Okay.
Aber auf welche?
Yeah, everything's ready for you guys.
What time did this happen? About an hour ago. About an hour ago.
Kannst du mich hören? Ja, wenn nicht, mal leg ich jetzt auf. Okay.
Hallo? Klein weg? Nee, nee. Okay, yes.
Nein, ich bin Markus, hat mich abgefangen, ich stehe jetzt auf der Ecke. Markus, verstehst du denn? Ist da nicht so voll? Ja, hier ist uns auch okay.
Sure, Zane. I'm standing not far from the central train station. As you can see, authorities have set up a rather wide security perimeter. There's plenty of police trucks. There's also a heavy military presence out on the streets. We know from authorities that it was the military inside the station itself that, quote, neutralized the suspect in question following a series of small, what appeared to be small explosions from the photograph by one eyewitness showing a small flame. The military was inside the station because Brussels is a city under heightened alert. They are very wary of the threat of terrorism, which has persisted here in this country ever since the Paris attacks. No suggestion at the moment from authorities that this is in any way linked to terrorism, but no doubt that'll be something that authorities are looking at as they try and piece together the how and why this incident happened. They're taking it very seriously.
Die Sache gesehen zu haben. Er sagte, dass eben jemand mit einer Art Gürtel da geschrien habe, auch ja, eben Dinge, die auf
We do not know the answer to that question, Zane. The word neutralized is something that we have heard from several authorities at this point. We know the situation is under control. How they neutralized the suspect in this case is simply not clear. We know that there were some eyewitness reports of hearing gunshots. We know that the military is obviously, troops are armed with guns inside the station when they're on these patrols, but again, it's not clear if that is how they in fact neutralized the subject. We are trying to get more information on that. It is a city that is on extremely high alert. It is not normal to see such a heavy military presence in a European capital. You see military now, though, because of this persistent terror threat in places such as Paris for a brief period of time. We saw the military even in London, but they are patrolling main areas, main sites in Brussels, including train stations. As I said, it was the military that, quote, neutralized